So this is our Odoo based ERP solution where we provide white label cloud based service along with customer support. So here I provide a short view of our product. So let's log in. So now here you can see the all our modules like calendar to do, contact, CRM, shells, dashboard, invoicing, project, purchase, and inventory and manufacturing. So basically, Odoo consolidates all module one place. So let's start with CRM. In CRM, you can manage leads, follow-up stages, person-wise reports, and also you can generate the reminders from here, and you can assure the timely meetings follow-ups. In this system, when you generate the leads, it automatically fetch the all details like members name for and workflow because entire system is based on AI. So here you can see sales module. So here you can build professional quotation where design custom template and create a pro forma invoice. You can also schedule a reminder for quotations. So this is a order and contract management where manage sales orders and contract easily. Also get customer portal, provide customer with portal for seamless interactions. The streamlined communication integration with email and schedule activities for efficient communications. Here is the product and price control, like you can manage product variations including third party variants, generate promotional coupons and offers according to your business. Accurate reporting, we can track KPI easily through the dashboard that provides information, order data and analysis. So in purchase, you can see clean, fast control where you can control the vendor's bill, purchase tenders, and order agreements. In purchase goods, you can buy goods from a supplier at a negotiated price on recurring basis. You can also request for the quotation. In any case, you can automate the system by setting the rules. Manage orders, like you can monitor and track your stock, determining the quality and location for the each batches. Manage invoicing, like create a draft, handle future orders, and maintain internal communication. You can also handle the product, like create a products, record minimal deliveries and product variation, and manage the stocks. Define sales condition, like set units of measures, define sales conditions, and manage many more products related details. Handle the multi company rules here. You can operate multi companies with one system environment. Let me give the insights of inventory. So here you can handle multiple locations like put away rules and smart removal strategies like FIFO, FEFO, nearest John like LEFO. You can streamline pickers paths and methods like single batch, clustered, and web packings. Here is also we included operational part like role based to do list. You can see the last dashboard to manage tasks across all fulfillment, purchasing, quality, picking, packing, and receiving teams. Prioritize tasks with the earliest deadline to assure on time order fulfillment. You can also see the productivity enhance, replacement, forecasting, traceability, and reportings. And you can see the product management and inventory valuations according to your requirements. And you can also get the streamlined integrations with this system. So integrate with third party system for shipping, blank orders, rental, and more. Use API to customize Odoo to fit business needs and connect with third party logistics services. So thanks for the watching video. I hope this information fulfilled with your requirements.